Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Recently, my daughter wanted to make her Grand Prix car look like a treasure chest. So to do that, she needed the main body hollowed out. I suggested that we use the CNC router for that. I modeled up the basic shape in Fusion 360, put a big pocket in it, leaving some room for some structure on the walls, and then went through and had it do all the G-code for me. And this is the result. In between each level of cutting, I took that opportunity to put in a pause command. By doing so allowed me to examine what it was doing, and also, in this case, move the clamps. As I did have a little bit more area, I was able to clamp. Once the cutting was finished, the pocket turned out nicely. This will turn into a nice treasure chest car. Oops. Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.